Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. Today what we are doing is turmeric and ginger iced tea. It's a very nutritious tea and it's so heartwarming, and you can take it hot or you can take it cold. Alright, so this is what I'm doing. So what I have here is I have some ginger. As I'm cutting the ginger into small pieces. Okay, so you are welcome. If you are new here, you are welcome. This is Nana's Food World. This is where we do lovely recipes, really yummy recipes. And to all my old subscribers, I'm so grateful that you continue to watch my videos. So this is the turmeric. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm also cutting the turmeric into small pieces like the ginger. I'll put all the measurements down below. Okay, you can use powdered turmeric, okay, but I just want to use the fresh one, so it's all your preference. So I've cut these into small pieces. So that is the turmeric and the ginger. So the next bit I want to do, I have some peppercorns, just some small peppercorns in my grinder. Now with turmeric, if you don't add peppercorns to it, the absorption will not be great if you take it. So normally if you are using turmeric, you need to add a bit of peppercorns. So I have some peppercorns here and I'm crushing them. This is just a very easy, very simple recipe. So that's done. So guys, so this is very easy. I have some water in the pan. Okay, I'll put the measurement down below, and then I'm going to add all my ingredients, and then I'll let it simmer for about 5 minutes, and then I'll just save it, and that'll be it. Okay, so I have the ginger that I did cut, put that in, and then I have the turmeric, and then some black peppercorns. Now I'm adding some cinnamon. I love cinnamon and it's very nutritious. I also have some squeezed lemon. Put that in. And then I have some coconut water. And then lastly, I'm going to add a bit of honey. It's a nice warm tea, or you can just make into an iced tea. Of course, it's summer, so anything cool is really nice. I just want to. So what I'm going to do, I'll put it on a medium heat, and then I'm going to cover it and I'll allow it to simmer for 5 minutes. So guys, our tea is ready. So I'm just putting out the fire and I'll allow it to cool. When it cools down, I'll strain it, or if you like it hot, you can just strain it now and then enjoy it. So allow it to cool down and then we put some ice in it. So guys, the iced tea is ready. I've already saved it and I want to save it again into this. I've got some ice here in my glass jar, so I want to just save it onto there. It's really, really lovely. Tastes really, really good. As you can see, so really this is our iced tea and it tastes so good. You can have it hot if you want to. just pouring some into. So yeah, this is it. And it's very, 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 very nice. So if you like this recipe, guys, please do give me a thumbs up, okay? And please subscribe to my channel and do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and may God richly bless you. Bye.